Good morning, honorable members. Nasigi business package charge. Agenda number 1 questions. Start question number 442. Hangbigadabana honorable members Sri Kiranjit Singh.
Good morning, sir. Start question number 442.
Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewable Mission gi makada Manipurna semi low flow bus kaya yamna phangkhibage amasung kha Manipur gi semi low flow bus kaya yamna sizinaba yaribage.
Pakum Bibigadabana Honorable Minister Transport.
Honorable Speaker, sir, start question number 442. Ko Manipur State received a total number of 14 semi-low floor bus. Ko out of total 14 SLF bus, 1 SLF bus is still operational.
Sir, supplementary. Semi-low floor se sir akoi Ministry of akoi Jarnam gi makhada Ministry dagi pirak pani hari bus se Manipur da dikhara chana daba private singna sumbasi kaya leiraga su tawde adubu amor sar hojik bus taramari pirak pagi manungda bus tarahumdoi yadre amakhak yai hana thambiri base semi low floor bus singsi kari da sijanaba pirakhibano yadre hariba tarahumdoi se sem nanabagi planning laibra aduga hariba bus singse season nadringai da yam ka hena season nadringai da yagidri base karamba moongda kari tawdagi yagidribano masi department na yengsandabadagi tawgibra aroi bus supplementary tarahumdo isina adi piramba people singda piramba madugi benefit adi service to hojikti yaradana leiramnina madu karina bahut sili.
It is particularly for use in the Imphal municipality area. The purpose is utilized in the Imphal municipality area, and the bus was purchased in the year 2012, and the bus, which was flag off in June 2012 for Imphal municipality. But the bus was flying only up to 2015. And the bus is purchased from Tata Motors through local authorized dealer MGT Manipur. This bus could not function, and it cannot be repaired due to the providers that the bus authorized dealer, they do not have authorized technical expert and repairing center here in Manipur. That is the main reasons. Cabinet also having one decisions in 2015, it should be given out to the concerned other departments who want to utilize this bus. But still, there are so much gap of many periods, a period of more than 3, 4, 5 years. At present, tourism department, they demand 2 buses, and Loktak department and Loktak development also 6 buses is in demand, and the decision is taken to provide to them. But due to this pandemic, it cannot be worked out at present. Thank you.
Next, question number 444. Hangbigadabana, Honorable Member Sri Govindas Konthokjam.
Star question number 444.
Ka PhD Department da GI pipe amasung DI pipe matik chana stock ta leibra amasung kha karamba matamda scheme singi darkar taba pipe sing pibigani.
Pakum Bibigadabana, Honorable Minister PSCD.
Honorable Speaker, answer to star question 444. A, yes. B, the concerned division issue pipe as and when required as per sanction schemes.
Sir, supplementary credit thamjage sir. Koda summe habire layedna khodana magi division duna sanction tawwa scheme sing dogi darkar lay matam do pn habib scheme sing si mataw karam na packet pi bano number 1. Number 2 da scheme sing asi sembada local gi MLA sing yaw khibra. 3 da P double M lagadi madu PB gadra.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Yes. The pipe is available, and as and when required, it will be provided. But the when to supply, when the project is completed or required, pipe is ready and it will be supplied. And I would like to, again, if you can kindly repeat your question, I would like to answer. I couldn't get your point clearly.
Sir, aina thamjabadi scheme sing simataw karam na packet pi bano haibama. Number 2 da scheme same matamda local gi MLA sing yawraga same gibra. Number 3 da pipe P double M lagadi P gadra hujab.
Sir, yeah, I got your point, sir. The project, it depends on the project. Like we have 2-3 schemes. I think in the second question which you have raised today, it is going to cover the same. Because the project, there are 3 projects you are mentioning here. One is earlier ARWP, and one is NRWP, and now it is replaced by DGM and NDB projects, which are ongoing. So whatever project has been implemented earlier, we will continue with that under retrofitting. So with this kind of a project, we want to understand the status of the project. If it is completed or if it is ongoing, if it is retrofitting, that pipe will be surely provided. We have sufficient pipe. And then the second thing is that involvement of the MLA, concerned MLA, is so important. Even the involvement, participation of the local people is also important, and it is also mandatory also. The village water sanitation committee as well as the people's representative is so important. We always welcome for that. And in implementation of this, all this important project, water supply project has become very, very important, and it's a mission-oriented project now. We have to fulfill the target by 2024 as per Government of India target, but our government of Manipur, our government is targeting to complete the project by 2022. Therefore, in order to complete all this, the participation of the local MLA as well as the people in that particular area should be actively involved. This is what I want to say. And the pipe to when to supply pipe, it depends, as I said, when it is required. Pipes are available sufficiently. We have, and it is some pipes are also in place. I mean, the order has been placed, so we don't have any issue in this supplying the pipe, fortunately.
Okay. Next, question number 445 hangbigadabana honorable member Sri Surya Kumar Okram.
Sir, start question number 445.
A. Number of doctors, paramedical staff, and other official staff in government and empaneled private hospitals that contracted COVID-19 on COVID duty as on date. B. Number of such persons that expired as on date. C. Whether the government has provided any compensation or job to the next of kin of such deceased person. And D. If so, the details thereof. If not, the reasons.
Pakum Bibigadabana honorable Chief Minister.
Good morning, Honorable Speaker, sirs. Sir, start question number 445. Answer. A, the total number is 794. B, the 1. C, the no. D, the claim for compensation of rupees 50 lakhs insurance cover under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package to the family members is under process. Application for job under die-in harness schemes will be processed when required.
Supplementary Krathamjagir. Sir, in the governor's speech also, COVID war, say fight to with detail, yam phajana thambikre sir. Maduda, what I believe is that COVID test tawbaga positivity ratios in yang matamda, Manipur is one of the worst affected state in the entire country, sir. In sum thikachabda sir. Pangjay, Maduda masida fight tawkriba hayutare, fight tawkriba doctors sing, paramedical staff sing, the other official staffs, either may be government or private hospital, the Lairiba healthcare workers sing sigi, COVID positive kayam waikike habits, sir. I see the pizza give the number of doctor, paramedical staffs, other official staff say, I know Thajazabadi category wise, institution wise, Yam Nachum Namasi, Karigano have the public domain, the Moigi Masagi warrior sing sigi habitare. Masigi public domain da amata laitaba madu masi public da khamjanaba mayam da keno tongnaba masi amuktang pibirakadra haina khanjarubani adu masi honorable CM na masi category wise institution wise masi matang pibi ba yagadra haibadam sir ahan da thamjari sir. Thank you.
Hujiki honorable member ki ai bhap ta ho worst affected positive test ki haibra kenoma Madhumakti oir moidrain khali. Anyway, hujiki details to dum phanganjage. Hujiki doctor ma laikidrisi Dr. Langkolakpam ibom sa idna amaka leprosi ki da laikidabne. Magi si compensate prime minister ki kari kuthang da koi paisa 50 lakhs to pin na honari. Adugo hujiki details to sida aingon Bishnupur da kuntra tarup Sandial da manga Soshanpur da maifuni thoi Imphal East da details I honorable member da yohan jaga.
Honorable leader of the house na masi doctor na kaya oi kibno aduga nurse na kaya oi kibno paramedical staffs other government staffs na kaya oi kibno haibagi detail du matang adagi institution wise detail du matang sir demand discussion mamang da bibi ba yagadra haina sir ai thamjari aduga hujiki ahambagi points na 794 akhoi COVID na akhoi health workers sing da na ki bhaip tare including doctors and nurses and paramedical staff 794 se masigi category wise institution wise aduga sir masida number of such persons that expired as on date and sir aina thamjabasida sir one anaka thamai masi sir honorable CM nu thambigre masi doctor ne haduna adu masida aina thamjagi sir private hospitals su yaujaki bra haina sir laijabadu koigi Delhi newspaper sing da 13 October 2020 is mojo haiba koigi newspaper sida 47-year-old Dr. Nasir Ahmed of Thobal district expired hai adugi matungda the deadly virus claim 65-year-old Dr. Wahengbam Imo haiduna hai aingonda hangjaba Dr. Laihidaba singi details is sir Dr. W Imo haiba mane Dr. Ellen Haibamne, Dr. Nasir Ahmed, Dr. Ayub, Dr. N. Sarat Kumar Haibamne, Dr. A. Narababu Singh Haibame, sir. These are true COVID martyrs, sir. Ado masi disease or government na akoigi kano to biribisida masi yaubra yaudabra haibadum sir. Ado moigi sida moigi imung manungda mokoigi family da aduga makoigi macha masu singda government gi job bu oiro natraga compensation bu oiro masi gumba pibagi kari process leibigabe haibadum tang sir thambiba yagadra the masigi laigidriba mayam singse include tobidabra aduga masigi number si doctor khatani masida paramedical staffs nurses atopa healthcare workers singsu mayam yarum bayai masi one khatang haibiribse covid kainos pandemic se fight tobada COVID warriors sing koi healthcare workers sing da ama khatang laigide have sing si masi sir masi masi kitang thajaba wachai sir na masi private school sing chu private hospital sing chu sir soidna masida government gi official memorandum akoi insurance scheme for health worker for fighting akoi gi prime minister garib kalyan package have the sir the private hospital masigi official memorandum infal date 27 May 2020 is there private hospitals lo yaw sir private hospital staff local urban bodies contracted daily wages adopt blah blah lo yaw sir adu masi se count tawbra tawbidabra haibadum ka adu masi ki exact list sima government da laibidra lairagadi with names adu my particular my economy amdu ka bibi ba yagadra haibadum tang sir
Honorable Speaker sir ikoina Pradhan Mantri na मागी लौथोइबा स्कीम से माने लौथोइबा स्कीम से warriors सिंग आई डॉक्टर ने अदुगा आई युमदा नत्रगा आई थबा मा इला नाइ तोबदा नारागा तोबदुदि मदु warrior in account to warrior means एखोगी identified institution hospital private also अदुगा quarantine center मदुदैदा अखोइने ड्यूटी असाइन तौरगा तौरिबा कांगबु मांगदा चलगा थेंगनरिबा कांगबु दुबुनी तौरिसे हुजिकि राके इमोगिदु तामो इमोगिदु लेगिद्रे ममिंग पल्ले अखोइ मासे सडनली नारागा हॉस्पिटल पुकटपनी अदुगा मागी हॉस्पिटल दुदा अखोइ कोविड सि सुमाइना येंगबगी नत्रगा दु तौबगी इंस्टिट्यूशनलाइज तौरगा अखोइना आइडेंटिफाई तौरगा तौबा लेतबा अदुगुंबगी रीजन दुना यावदबु ओइगनेना खल्ली अदुना हुजिक सिदैदा हारिबसिदी अखोइना डिस्ट्रिक्ट की हॉस्पिटल सिंगदा अदुगा रिम्स ओरो जेनिम्स ओरो सिजदो ओरो अदगी राजदो ओरो आइडेंटिफाई तौबा क्वारंटाइन सेंटर दो ओरो मदुगुंबदुदा थेंगनबदा चंगबदा इन्फेक्ट तौबा अदुगुंबा अदुदैदा लाइबक थिबा थोपा अदुगुंबदने पिदोरसे अदुना अदुना मरम ओरकांदा हुजिकी हारिबा तैदु यावदबो एगनेना तमाइना सेंदोक्सी अदुबु ngसाई डिटेल list kari institution kari मैम दुदी अदुम सेशन मनुंगसी अदुम आई मेंबर फंगनजन बतौजगे
Next question number 446 hangbigadabana honorable member Sri Kodojum Govindas.
Start question number 446.
क मणिपुर डिफंग ओइरबा ARWSP कया यामना लेबगे अमसुंग ख मखोइसिंग असि करंबा मतमदा प्रजादा कानबा फंगनगदगे
Pakum bibigadaba honorable minister PhD.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Answer to start question number 446. A. None. B. Does not arise.
Sir, toti gi sing thakna phange si sir sorokta water tanker sing si chendra kan khakta do rangoni da okay house the family ba treasury bench the family so ya begani only when the water tankers does not ply on the road then only we will assume that potable drinking water is made available to all the household asumaina lanba report am pi base masi laibak yam thi bane house sida ai huji hangjabane honorable member Nambol gi rural water supply camp salai ge na almost am of house salai de ai gi deso ai honorable CM na ningsing mirangani you note am bani by in 2019 I wrote a you note to honorable chief minister saying that Since June 2017, one village, Bishanpur district headquarters, ki hang nakanda leba kwa sibai ka wo village a ising people lep kre hanai ijaban. I reminded to the Honorable Minister also time and again. He did not heed to our request. Tade, ultimately, I pocket 5 lakhs puthokanda ising si piba hawale. Aduk maski me amamalay kudam moina Nambol Kendra Danatana, Atopato Kendra, rural water supply scheme sings low in a fellow, Badu, late in a house report, Tambangambea. High officers in Simataka, Exxon Low Dragadi, Ising Takpa Pangoy Prajasin. And that's Tamjanings. Karigumba, I question the Laxage, I'm Matamiam Sang Loggeroi. Karigumba water supply scheme sing say, rural water supply scheme sing say. Honorable Minister Yaurga, Satminaraga, Karigumba function took the Balay Magadi. Kanagi Mataka Exxon Logo again to compute.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Yes, there are schemes which are not functional. And there are schemes, some habitations, there are villages, water supply is yet to cover. But what the question comes here is that how many defund ARW, SP schemes are there in Manipur? So I said, there is no defund. I should term it as non-functional. This is a very, very old scheme. ARW, SP is a very old scheme. It has been replaced with NRDWP. After that, it has been replaced with GGM and NDB now. So I said, there is no defund project as per this question. So wherever there is a defund or non-functional schemes are available, we are going to retrofit that under this GGM and NDB. So NDB is now under tender process. It is going to be completed. And GGM, we have already started. And I believe this particular area where the non-functional of projects are there, in this new GGM and then NDB project, it will be covered. And we have, as of now, we have 182 non-functional schemes and projects, villages are there in our state. So in these 182 schemes, villages, habitations, we are going to retrofit with the present ongoing project. So I will be most happy to come and visit wherever it is not functional. I also agree with that. I have started visiting some villages, and all the villages in Manipur where the NDB and GGM is going to be covered, I may not be able to physically inspect it, but wherever it is possible, I'm inspecting now. And the moment I inspect, I could see there is a great need of our attention. And then some villages, I could discover that it is a very small issue where we all can put a head together. Sometimes the engineers are doing their best, but it is important to involve our leaders also, along with the concerned villagers also. So I'll be so happy to accompany and then visit and then find out the loopholes and then find out the solution. And then ask if the time permits, but we'll try to spare times also. So this is the situation. So my question, my answer to your question is that there is no defund schemes, but they are non-functional. I should term that way. So wherever there is a non-functional scheme, we are going to retrofit, and it's going, and the tender process is on. And then the second question is that when the people will get benefit, once we start implementing the NDB projects and the GGM, we are very confident that we will be able to implement properly.
Number 447, Hangvigadabana, Honorable Member Sri K. Ranjit Singh.
Sir, start question number 447.
Ka Ikanga Mari Lenana Kumza Inglisini Subna Trataretagi Inglisini Subna Kun Faubada Lomi Singda Ising Pam Kayayamna Pitakibage Ka Lomi Singda Pitakiba Pam Sing Kayayamna Lokalabage Amasung Ga Department Ki Custody da Sizinaba Yaba Ising Pam Amasung Yadabana Kayakaya Lebage.
Pakum Vigadabana, Honorable Minister Agriculture.
Good morning, Honorable Speaker, sir. Answer to star question number 447. Sir, Department asina kumja 2017 dagi 2020 phawda Longmi Praja singda water pumping set cham kuntra distribute tokjakhre aduga khoda district agriculture officer singi khuthangda pump set masing taret lokhatjare goda hauji department gi custody da punna pump set taret leijari masigi manungda taruk amadi functioning oiri amadi functioning oidre sir.
Sir, Manipur natana akhoi hujik malem pumbasida climate change lakana maram oidana nongju gi chang si yamna watpa churaga su magi chubham thokpa chang chudabadagi lawmi sinmi sing sigi law unana bagi pambai si sar water pump se sin hujik ki matam sta yamna maru oirai. Honorable Minister na paukhum pibi gra 2017 to 2020 phawda lawmi singda pam chama kuntha pi gra to hari si pam taret lokhatle haibasini lais da ina supplementary da somaina ahum marida thamjaga sa lawmi sing sida pi giba ising pam chama kuntha do lawmi singda lemna pi gibra ama ising pam singdu sinaramdai da department ka lawmi singa kari agreement tawno giba lai gibage hang matam gi tangai fadana pi giba pam sing adugi manungda supna gi taret khak lokhalle na hujik thambiri base atai si lokhal roidra dum pithok khagadra aduna pam sing si department gi oiba policy da lemna pibagi oiramagadi khangdre aduga matam gi oina darkar leibada piraga lokhatpa gi policy oiramagadi out of 130 pump set sida taret lokhallaga 223 pump lehaurise masi lokhatana thambasigi mari leinaba officer sing dambadugi responsibility fixed tawum thoktabra si khatang han thamjagi asa.
Sir, honorable member na habibado yam chumi matam gi national calamity sing chawba kan dagi drought thokpa kan tamatam dugi khoi Manipur city suraga nomaga chajabana yamba oibanina longmi singi khallaga khoi 130 si 2018-19 da 30 ama do 1920 da 100 ama masi longmi singi damakta khallaga sarkar sina distribute tokjaki bani ado ekoi district agriculture officer singi through da district agriculture officer singi through da koi distribute tokjaki bani aduga mado distribute tokhraba matungda madugi payment dudi madu free of cost ni aduga ekoi hojik honorable member na takpiba tareti lokhalaga taret atai 123 dudi kargi damte lokhatabano haiba madugi ai haijage hoji khoi field 123 se utilize tawraga rabi crop ki kargi sing chingnedana district agriculture officer singna supervision tawraga field hoji functioning oina leiriba do taret amadi ai hoji haijari sini taret amadi koi custody da leire amadi yadre taruk amadi fazana functioning oina leiri sir
Nasi di maka dapat question lagi tu.